I'm doing a 3-minute comeback rebounder routine. Comeback because I haven't rebounded since Utah. Right now, I'm in Florida. I was on a cross-country trip. I hit a lot of severe weather. I'm in a campground right now in Florida. Feet slightly wider than hip distance apart. We're pushing down into the mat. Pelvis back, core engaged, shoulders down and back, head looking forward, chin slightly tucked. You want your spine to be in alignment and pushing down, not jumping up. 3 minutes. Now, truth be told, I've been away from fitness. I had intentions of working out every day on my cross-country trip, and that didn't happen. The last time I rebounded was in Utah. I hit a lot of severe weather, just one thing after another. So I'm back. And the most important thing is to not beat yourself up about it, to be kind to yourself. Now, we're 1 minute in. We're gonna engage the arms. Now in the past, when I didn't hit my fitness goals, which were usually very unrealistic, I would beat myself up and feel terrible and feel guilty. And then I would distract, because if you're in pain, that's what you do. You try to distract so you don't have to think about it. Now, talking kindly to yourself is a skill. It seems like it's not something that is natural to a lot of us. It's not to me, but it becomes natural as you do it. Last minute. For this minute, we're going to put our feet closer together and still the health bounce. Now this really challenges your balance, especially right now because I'm not very even on this terrain. But one more minute, 40 seconds left. And let's do it. Because staying active doesn't mean not ever stopping. It means not saying stopped. Oops. And as I've gotten older, my goals have changed, and right now they're just to keep moving. 12 seconds left. Yay! 3, 2, 1. 3 minutes, done. Life is challenging for all of us. Be kind to yourself. If you take a little break, it's okay. Just come back to it when you can. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for getting me out of this slump. I'm sending love to everyone.